Big question. How can knowing about civic education help us become better members of our community and society? Have you ever wondered what it means to be a good citizen? Imagine if our neighborhood was a big, exciting adventure park. To enjoy all the rides and games, we need to know the rules and work together. Civic education is like the guide that helps us understand these rules so we can have the best time and make the park or our community a fantastic place for everyone. In our adventure park, there are many different rides, each with its own rules and ways to play. Just like that, our community has rules and ways to interact. Civic education helps us understand how to be the best community members by teaching us about our rights, responsibilities, and how to work together to make our surroundings better. Once upon a time, in the lively town of Harmonyville, lived two friends, Maya and Tunde. Harmonyville was known for its beautiful parks, friendly neighbors, and vibrant community events. But not everything was perfect in their town. One sunny day, Maya and Tunde noticed that the playground in Harmonyville Park was looking a bit messy. Trash was scattered around, and some of the swings were broken. The two friends wondered how they could help. They had learned a little about civic education at school, but they weren't quite sure how to put it into practice. Maya remembered a story her teacher told about how civic education helps us understand our roles in the community. She turned to Tunde and said, "Let's use what we learned and see if we can make the park better." Together, they brainstormed ideas. "We could organize a cleanup day," suggested Tunde. "We can invite everyone to help us pick up trash and fix the swings." Maya and Tunde started planning. They made colorful posters and put them up around the neighborhood. They talked to their families, friends, and neighbors, inviting them to join their cleanup event. The big day arrived, and people from all over Harmonyville came to the park with gloves, trash bags, and tools. As they worked together, Maya and Tunde saw how everyone was happy to help. The park looked cleaner and more beautiful than ever. They even fixed the swings and added new flowers to the garden. Through their hard work, Maya and Tunde realized that civic education isn't just about learning facts. It's about taking action and working together to solve problems. They learned that every small action, like picking up trash or inviting others to help, contributes to making their community a better place. Examples: 1. Respecting others. Maya and Tunde showed respect by listening to their neighbors' ideas about how to improve the park and by working together harmoniously. 2. Helping each other. By organizing the cleanup day, they demonstrated how helping one another can make a big difference in their community. 3. Following rules. Just like following the rules at a playground, respecting community rules like not littering and being kind helps everyone enjoy living together. 4. Being responsible. Maya and Tunde took responsibility for the park's condition and decided to do something about it, showing how being responsible means taking action when needed. 5. Participating in community activities. The cleanup day was a great example of participating in community events and how these activities help build a stronger, more connected neighborhood. Critical thinking and problem solving. 1. Identify problems. Maya and Tunde noticed the park was messy and thought about how it could be improved. This shows how identifying problems is the first step in solving them. 2. Plan actions. They planned the cleanup day by making posters and organizing the event. Planning is crucial for making sure things go smoothly. 3. Evaluate results. After the cleanup, they saw how their efforts had made the park better. They reflected on what went well and what they could do next time, understanding that evaluation helps improve future actions. In this chapter, we followed Maya and Tunde's journey as they used civic education to help their community. They learned that civic education helps us understand our roles and responsibilities as citizens. By organizing the cleanup day, they saw how actions like respecting others, helping each other, and participating in community activities can make a big difference. Knowing about civic education helps us become better members of our community by teaching us how to respect others, take responsibility, and work together. It helps us understand our roles and contributes positively to society. Reflection. Think about a time when you worked on a project or helped someone. How did it feel to see the results of your hard work? Civic education helps us recognize the importance of these actions and encourages us to keep making a positive impact in our community.